What's up, guys? It's Worldwide Chrome, Chrome 4K. Another episode. Missed you guys. Hope you're having a great day, great afternoon. So on this episode, we're gonna do something a little bit different. It's my day to cook dinner. Obviously, if you've been watching the channel, please subscribe if you've been watching the channel. Sorry if you hear Trappy over there drinking water. Like, comment, and subscribe. Watch the video to the end. So today we're gonna do something that you guys may not have thought about, but you can definitely do it. Because most people have a grill or a smoker. And what I'm gonna do today is something that's relatively cheap and easy. So today, we're actually gonna grill or smoke a box pizza. All right, that's what we're doing. So this is gonna be a quick video, simple video. Gotta feed the family. Guys, ladies, gentlemen, boys and girls, this is what we're gonna do. So, first step, it's in the box, obviously. We're gonna take the box and we're gonna rip the lid off of the box. Just rip it off. Just rip it off. Get rid of it. Leave your bottom though. Okay, leave your bottom. Your bottom's gonna provide insulation once it's on the smoker or the grill. Now, when you're doing a pizza on the grill, make sure the grill is proportionate to the pizza you're using. This is I think a 16-inch pizza, thereabout. I don't know what it is, but it's a relatively large pizza, so I'm putting it on my bigger grill or my medium-sized grill. This is not a pizza you want to put on the kettle smoker or the kettle grill. All right. So with all that being said, what we're going to do now. Obviously, we don't want to die. Dying is not good. Is we're going to take the plastic off of your pizza. Okay? Your pizza will have an extra layer of cardboard on the bottom of it. Leave that on there. Now, what I like to do and what I want to do, even though this is supposedly a medium supreme pizza, I like ham, I like pork, I like bacon. So I'm gonna add a few cubes of bacon, of ham to it. And then guys, if you want to, you can add some peppers to it, onions to it. You can actually season up your pizza. So again, it's lightly thawed. It's not frozen. You do not want to put a frozen pizza on your smoker or your grill. And just because I have to do it, I don't know why. I have no idea, but I just love it. It's the best thing ever in the world to me. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. If you have some thyme, some oregano, if you want to put that on there, that's fine too. Now, we're basically halfway thawed out, roughly room temp, smoker's going, grill's going. I will see you out there. Again, keep it in the box. It helps provide a bottom layer for you. If you have a huge baking sheet or even aluminum foil, something to keep it off of the grate so that your bread does not sag when it's cooking. So we're gonna go out here, put it on there, and then I'll continue to further explain the process of this. But this is gonna be a very quick meal for anyone. Anyone can do it. I know it's something different, but it will work, trust me. So like, comment, subscribe. It's Worldwide Chrome, Chrome 4K. See you shortly. That smells good. So now, we're outside. Y'all know I love being outside. In this instance right here, you do not want your charcoal, wood, embers, whatever, just burning, roaring hot. You don't want that. This is a pizza. It's delicate. It's like your wife, your girlfriend or something, all right? You got to take it very easy. So now, they're ashed over. And just to show you guys, I'll let it down. It'll go up to temp. Got a little smoke coming out. And now we're gonna set it down.
In the box?
In the box.
Okay.
In the box.
Shout out to Crumb 2.0.
You know what I'm saying? The
Mr.
box.
Hold my beer himself.
Hey, man.
You know
Hey, that's my buddy James, y'all. Hey.
Detroit in the house now.
Hey, y'all might have known. I think it was on Sunday Conversation when somebody kept calling, and I said, hey, man, I gotta call you back. And y'all heard it in the background. That's who that was. Good friend right there. 15, 20 years into it. Hey, great guy. Great guy. So, keep it in the box.
Okay.
You're ashed over. All right. Now you can just let it down. All right. And we should be able to come back here in maybe a roughly. We'll check on this in 10 minutes, but in 22 minutes you're gonna have the best pizza in your life. Okay.
Can I ask, have you done this before? I
have done it before.
Okay. I'm sure it was with aluminum. Or was it with the box?
It was with the box.
Okay.
Okay, but you can use a cookie. And I'm having here. You can use a baking sheet.
Cookie sheet.
Okay. Aluminum foil.
So you're doing is smoking the pizza technically.
Basically, you're heating it up. Okay. That's all you're doing. All right.
I can't lie. That's gonna be the first.
Yeah. Oh, and guess what? So you're not gonna leave until you have a slice of this.
No problem.
Are you cool with that?
Yeah, I'm cool with that.
All right. There we go. So guys, we're gonna shut the lid down now. And we'll see y'all back shortly. All right, so now, guys, we're back at the grill, at the smoker. We'll take a look at it. See how your meat is starting to look now? See how it's starting to look? It's cooking now. See, your cheese is starting to melt. And also, I want to show you guys, you don't want this to stay stationary. You want to rotate it, okay? You want to rotate it. See how your pepperoni is starting to melt over? All right? So, boom. Keep rotating it. I would say every 5, 6, 7 minutes, rotate it until it's done. All right, so we are gonna keep doing this. This should be done in maybe another, I'll say 15 minutes because my tempo is lower because you do not want to go hot and fast when you're doing pizza on the grill or the smoker. All right, slow and steady gets the job done. In this instance right here. All right, so hey, you see it? We'll come back in here in a few minutes. We'll rotate it, and then it should be done. Woo! Hey, Worldwide Crumb, the Hold My Beer channel. I told y'all you can actually put pizza on a grill or a smoker, right? Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. It can happen. It can happen. And guys, remember, you have to rotate it. But it is, ooh, it's hot. It's crispy. See how you can pick it up now? That's better than Papa John's. You can call me Papa HMB around here. You hear me? Got that damn Pizza Hut.
Papa HMB.
Marco's, whatever you think you could call it. It can be done. It's right there.
Y'all see it live. In effect.
So it's crispy. See
Look
right
at the
now?
bottom, y'all.
Look at that.
It's actually cooked, y'all.
Woo.
It's actually cooked.
It's cooked.
This is my first time seeing this, y'all.
So what I'm gonna do though, okay, guys. Again, thank you for Mr. My great friend James helping me out today with this episode.
Yes, sir.
Hopefully y'all seen something you've probably never seen before. What we're gonna do, we're gonna drop it down. We're gonna give it another 10 minutes. Then we're gonna come back. We're gonna slice into it. Well, what we're gonna do first, because it is called the Hold My Beer channel. We're gonna go have us a few more beers. All right. We're gonna have us a few more beers. Well, one more beer. I'll say that. We tend to drink them fast, so I'll say that'll be like 12 minutes.
Hey, y'all, he ain't lying. He is not lying.
Hey, and then we're gonna come back. This is gonna be ready. We're gonna go in the house. We're gonna cut it up, slice it up, and show y'all what you can actually achieve. You know, hey, and also we're Floridians. Well, he's a Detroit native.
Yeah. But I live in Florida, baby.
But, hey, so he been here a long time. So
20 years.
So he's a Florida native at this point. So hurricane season is coming up. So if you do lose power, something goes funky or whatever, don't tell me. You got to starve, huh? You about to raid the Family Dollar, raid Publix, raid Winn-Dixie, whatever. Okay, you can get a frozen pizza for goddamn whatever it costs, some charcoal.
Tell them 2.0.
2.0. All right, worldwide Chrome. So we're gonna have this next Corona, and then we'll see y'all shortly. Here we go. All right, guys. So hey, we had more than one Corona. All right, so the sun did catch us, but look, doesn't stop the show. Ooh, 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 ooh. This is what you can achieve. All right. So here, what we're gonna do? I'm gonna call him Mr. Cameraman. You hold that.
Yes, sir.
We're gonna do this. We're gonna take this off. That's another reason, guys. You can keep it in the box, even though the box is gonna get hot. Woo!
Ooh, it got him.
Yeah, it got me. Make it do a dance. Make it do a dance.
Do a little dance.
Come on. Let's go see what we got inside.
Got him.
Let's show the people.
Yeah. They need to know.
Let's show the people.
I got you.
Let's show the people.
Y'all see it?
Let's show the people. Oh, no. Let's show the people. Let's show the people. On the grill.
Ladies and gentlemen.
Boys and girls.
Oh, man, from all ages, all sizes.
Mm-hmm. So we're going to let it cool off a little bit. Okay? Thank y'all for watching the Hold My Beer channel. Hopefully you having a... Hopefully you had your few beverages like me and my guy.
Who you telling? I'm over here looking over there. I had to get back right.
Hey, but this is what you can get. So we're gonna let it cool off a little bit. You know, got to burn itself one time. Then we're gonna cut into it. Then we're gonna do a taste test from 3 blind taste testers, which is I'm gonna call him the cameraman right now.
You know,
all right, y'all see him on the episode.
You know,
and my mother-in-law, and Mama Home Beer, and obviously the guy. All right, so we'll see y'all shortly. Thank y'all for watching the video. Continue to watch all the videos that get pushed out. All right,
like, comment, and subscribe.
Amen.
Everybody, it's Jimmy James here on the Hold My Beer Challenge. Come over here to do a little bit of participation in the situation at hand, which is the smoked pizza straight off the grill. Something I've never had before. So we're gonna go ahead and cut it up, divvy it down, and check this out. Oh, y'all hear that crunch?
Mm-hmm. And guys, you can do this. You can put it on the grill.
It was super easy. I was here from beginning to end. Dude, I'm talking about crunch, y'all.
Mm-hmm. Always have you a good friend. Look at that.
For those of you that would question if it was done or not, it's definitely done.
Mm-hmm. You included.
Me included.
Mm-hmm. Boy, hey, Hold My Beer is a monster on that grill, on that smoker.
Yeah, listen, Hold My Beer is in full effect right now.
Mm-hmm. And 4K live.
Okay, now. Y'all see it. It's right here.
Look at that.
I'm making sure I knew I messed up.
Look at that. Look at that. And guess what? Sometimes y'all understand this. Teamwork makes the dream work.
You hear me?
Doesn't it?
You hear me?
Teamwork.
You're talking about 10, 15 years in the making now, y'all.
Teamwork makes the dream work. So we're going to let it rest up a little bit. We're going to get some plates. We're going to divvy it up. And then we're going to let everyone have a taste of it, of a smoked or / grilled pizza. All right? Hopefully y'all like the video. We appreciate it. And we'll tap back in here shortly.
All right, now.
Yeah, yep.
Bam. All right. Here goes.
Wait.
Mini Hold My Beer.
Are you recording? Mm-hmm. All right. So, guys, back the Hold My Beer channel. So now we finished everything off, and I'm going to give the most objective person I can to figure out how we did this. So you take a bite, tell me what you think about it, and let's go from there.
I already took a bite.
Well, what do you think about it?
It was good. I like it.
You like it?
Full of flavor, huh?
It looks good. I'm talking about it looks super meaty.
Hold on. Listen, hold my beer fans. This is hitting right here.
For real.
I didn't even cap them. I ain't never had one before. This is where it's at. I'm gonna give you the captain of this channel. But y'all know it's been real. You gotta forgive the appearance. I'm fresh out of work, but you know,
Hey.
you gotta come show support.
Well, big money moves in silence.
Big facts.
You know, big facts. So again, guys, something you can do at home, something that's quick. If you're not having distractions, you know, so hopefully this gives you a tip, an idea, something you can do. Thank you guys so much for liking the videos, watching the videos, subscribing to the videos, comment in the videos. We'll see you on the next one, all right? God bless. See you soon.
Like, comment, and subscribe, y'all. It's real. Y'all take it easy.